In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text on Google Keep. While Google Keep itself doesn't support native text formatting like bold or italic directly, there is a simple workaround that you can use to achieve the effect you want. Let's dive right into it and make your notes stand out with bold text. First, let's open up your Google browser. If you're already familiar with navigating Google products, this step will be a breeze. Once you have your browser up, head over to the Google Apps icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen, right beside your Google account avatar. Clicking this icon will reveal a range of available Google applications. From the list of Google apps, locate and click on Google Keep. Google Keep is your personal digital sticky note app, perfect for quick notes and reminders. When you're in Google Keep, look through your notes and select the one you wish to format with bold text. Click into the note to open it and highlight all the text you want to convert. Once you've done that, copy the selected text by either using a keyboard shortcut or right-clicking and choosing the copy option. Now open a new tab in your browser and search for boldtext.io. This is a useful free tool that will help format your plain text into bold text with a few simple clicks. On the boldtext.io website, you'll find a text input box. In this box, paste the text you copied from Google Keep. After pasting, you'll see different examples of your text rendered in bold. Explore the various bold options and choose the one that best catches your eye and fits the tone of your note. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and copy the bold text by simply selecting it and using the same method as before. After that, it's time to return to Google Keep. Get back to Google Keep by clicking the tab you left open earlier. In your note, clear the original text or choose to append your bold text seamlessly where you'd like it to appear. Finally, paste the newly formatted bold text into your Google Keep note. It should look strikingly different and much more pronounced than your standard text, making it easy to emphasize key points in your notes. The last step is to click on the close button to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully bolded text in Google Keep using a simple workaround. Now you can continue organizing your thoughts with enhanced style and clarity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this little trick helps you add a touch of flair to your Google Keep notes. Be sure to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Have a great day and see you in the next tutorial.